It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the refreshed 2022 GMC Terrain SLE. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, a power lift gate where we're able to set the opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, door storage and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have some lighting controls and the park brake, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, cloth interior, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has adaptive cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio controls. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, the power sunroof buttons and OnStar. We've also got a place to store your sunglasses. Here we have GMC's Infotainment Center equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, the park reverse drive buttons. The far left has our engine push start button, USB ports, a power plug-in, no slip matting, heated front seats, hill descent control, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and off-road mode. At the front of the Terrain we have HID headlamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, a 1.5-liter turbo engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal, black roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. The rear window wiper, remote start, and the power lift gate. I'm going to use the key fob here. Push that button twice to pop our lift gate open. In the trunk, we have plenty of cargo storage space, the levers to fold the second row seats down, a power plug-in, cargo hooks, and a deeper storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The back of the front passenger seat has a seat pocket. The back of our center console has the rear fans, USB ports, and a 120-volt power plug-in on the floor. All-weather floor mats on the floor. Our middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to fold these rear seats down by simply pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2022 GMC Terrain SLE, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.